PubHub replaces outdated, error-prone, and recursive processes with a streamlined ForcedMarch workflow. It utilizes the latest technology and encapsulates 30 years of prepress experience, offering publishers up to 30% combined savings through our Good Process Rewards program, schedule acceleration of more than 50%, and absolute version control. PubHub always delivers the correct file for processing at each step. PubHub's streamlined workflow comprises up to 7 tasks, which our ForcedMarch Workflow ensures are performed in strict sequence. Batch setup, manuscript standardization, art creation, copy editing, indexing, page proof review, and voucher review. Quality inspections are done at every step, ensuring that it was done correctly before moving to the next task. This approach ensures that every task is performed on a pristine manuscript and eliminates recursion, which is commonplace today. If necessary, a task is repeated until it passes all quality inspections. Every quality failure is measured and logged, and the operator's rating is adjusted accordingly. Let's take a closer look at these tasks. The user provides complete specifications and all manuscript files required to produce a book in a single entry point to ensure consistency throughout the production cycle. PubBatch ensures that all required information is provided before production is launched, eliminating the expensive recursive activity of current processes. Publishers receive good process rewards for submitting books in PubBatch. Manuscript standardization includes edits such as Oxford comma, consistent terminology, punctuation, references, etc. Publoc protects the manuscript against inadvertent edits by disabling all but the required Microsoft Word functions. During the art creation step, art is created or redrawn as required, and PubPace ensures author-supplied images conform to specifications. Authors receive good process rewards for delivering conforming images in PubPace. Copy editors are dynamically rated, keeping them focused on quality, ensuring that you get the best editorial support. Next, PubIndex is used to create the index within a fully formatted, paginated manuscript and dynamically reorganized while maintaining two-way hyperlinks. Publoc ensures that the manuscript cannot be inadvertently altered. Indexers are also dynamically rated, so you can be sure only the top rated will work on your book. Authors receive good process rewards for creating their index with PubIndex. Author and publisher sequential review of the manuscript happen in Microsoft Word. Publoc ensures that all changes are made in Track Changes mode. Both authors and publishers receive good process rewards for making all required edits during page proof and meeting the schedule. The last step is the author and publisher's sequential review of the final PDF. Both authors and publishers receive good process rewards, making only page composition changes during voucher review. Once the workflow has been completed, the final products are auto-generated by PubHub. The correct version number is assigned to each product automatically, ensuring they are correctly associated. If any product is subsequently revised, its version number is incremented automatically. PubHub eliminates the problem of inconsistency between the products, sometimes encountered in the industry. Be sure to ask an Apex representative for details on how our Good Process Rewards program can save you up to 30% of the cost of book production and shrink your turnaround time by more than 50%.